This video is going to teach you how to clear out your calendar for October 30th so that your students know that you're not meeting that day and so that your parents know that you are available from 8 until noon that day. So in order to do this, you're going to need to navigate from your email to your calendar. A couple ways to do that. First is down at the bottom where my cursor is right now, you're going to see your mail and then your calendar and then your people and your three dots. You can click on the calendar there. You can also find it in your app launcher. You can navigate to calendar. If it's not there, you can also find it in all apps. So we're going to go to calendar. And from here, you're going to navigate to the correct week. Many of you are already in month view, but I have mine in the school week view. And so I need to kind of shift over a couple of weeks to get to October 30th. Then I need to click on every single one of these appointments, these meetings, and I'll delete them. And when I choose, so I'm going to first expand it with those two little arrows, and then I'm going to choose delete and click on the little caret, and I'm going to choose this event. So I'm only deleting it for October 30th and not for the rest of the term. So again, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click the opposite arrows to expand it so that I can view that event. And then I'm going to delete it and choose this event instead of all events in the series. And then once I confirm, then it'll disappear from my calendar. And that's how you clear out your calendar for October 30th.